Hi there guys, in this video let us install the Night Eye LED headlights to my Nissan Magnite. I will show you the complete process. Firstly, let us unbox the Night Eye headlights. Thank God I received the original product. I have ordered them from Amazon. They will cost you around 1800 rupees. I have also ordered the parking lights which are of LED for 100 rupees, but surprisingly Nissan Magnite headlights does not contain parking lights because LED DRLs double up as parking lights, so parking lights are of no use. We have received the original product. As you can see, there are grey color surroundings to the plug. The size of the headlights which we gonna install in Nissan Magnite is H4. There will be no wire cutting, nothing, just plug and play. I will show you the whole process. But wait, I will not recommend you to do it at all because the electrician firstly tried to remove the light from the headlight by his own hand, but it failed because he cannot stretch his hand to reach the headlight. So they have decided to remove the whole bumper and then fix the headlight. So I will not recommend you at all because it requires the removal of front bumper. I will show you the complete installation of Night Eye headlights. It improves the lighting up to excellent extent, so I will recommend you to change the headlight only when it is possible without removing the bumper. The hand of the electrician could not reach the headlight. He tried for very hours and hours, but he could not reach the main headlight bulb. So he then decided to remove the bumper and then install the real Night Eye headlights into the headlight. Now he is unscrewing the bumper. I told him to do the whole work very carefully because even a single screw which is not properly fitted can produce a rattling sound which will be very irritating while driving. Here comes another screw of headlight. I should definitely admire the fit and finish of Nissan Magnite because I think other companies may not give these many screws. The headlight itself consists of 4 to 5 screws which should be unscrewed. So it had become a great task. Here comes the another screw. So the fit and finish of Nissan Magnite is very good. Now finally we can remove the headlight. This is how it will look after removing the whole bumper. Now they are removing the headlight. What? There is another screw which should be unscrewed. I will definitely admire the fit and finish of Nissan Magnite. Once again saying you please avoid this if you have a fresh new car, and only change the headlights if they will change them without removing the front bumper. Here comes the headlight out from its position. See the process of installing a headlight. Firstly, they will unclip the headlight with the help of a screwdriver. They are unclipping the bulb of the headlight. Now they removed the stock halogen light. Now they will install the night eye bulb into the headlight. See how they will install the headlight. Here goes in the night eye headlight. Nothing, no wire cutting, nothing, only just removing the bulb and installing the new bulb into the car. They have only cutted one thing. The rubber that will protect the headlight from its external surroundings was cutted up to few extent, as you can see, in order to fit the night eye headlight. Now they are inserting the plug into the car's wiring. That's it guys, our headlight is ready to use. Thankfully the other headlight got fitted without the help of removing the headlight. Now let us check our main headlights. As you can see, they have installed the night eye headlights into the main headlight. Let us see the response of the main headlight after complete installation. Now they are fitting the car's bumper to the car again. I have been watching them carefully so that every screw will go inside and fit perfectly. As I said before, if anything goes wrong, will produce a rattling sound which will be very irritating to hear. As you can see, they have fitted each and everything very carefully without leaving a single screw. They have screwed all the unscrewed screws. Boom! We got installed the night eye headlights into our car. Let us check the response. Firstly, the DRLs will also produce very bright light during night. Here goes the car with night eye headlights. As you can see, they are working pretty good. There is no voltage fluctuation. There is nothing to worry about the installation. Only the thing is we have to accept the removal of bumper. Otherwise, the changing of headlight will provide excellent looks as well as it provides excellent lighting as well. See the response guys. It lights up almost everything that is around it. Now I will check the high beam and low beam response and I will share it with you. Firstly, see the lighting of DRLs guys. I think the previous car of mine has the lighting of this much for its fog lights. See the amount of light that the DRLs will offer. Now let us check the lighting response of the car guys. Now I have turned off the lights completely and turning on them. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. As you can see, there is quite a lot of difference between high beam and low beam. As you can see, it leads almost everything. So I will recommend you to change the night eye headlights onto your car only if possible without removing the bumper. As you can see, they are super bright, they are super stylish as well. The whole process of installation of night eye headlights was done by Zenex Car Decors at Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. Do consider visiting them to install night eye headlights as well as everything including leather seats. That's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos on Nissan Magnite. Thank you guys.